Hi everyone, my name is Jason. Today I'm gonna talk about big data. To start with my topic, I want to start the Bates. The Bates is a tool to measure how large the data is. We normally use kilobits, megabits, gigabit, terabit, which is the KB, MB, GB, TB to measure how much data we use on our phones and the storage of our computers. So basically, we use actual data to measure the term big data. Actual data equals to 1024 terabyte, which is equals to 1024 terabyte. So we can see it is a lot of data. 5 actual bytes equals to what people said in the whole world. So the definition of the big data is a broad term of data sets so large or complex that traditional data processing applications are inadequate, such as analysis, capture, search, storage, transfer, those applications that traditional data processing could not achieve. But big data can do this. So today I'm gonna talk about three main points of big data. The first is the characteristics of big data and the big data used in many fields and what's the negative effects of big data. So the characteristics in 2001 research report and revealed lectures meta group now is called Gartner defined data growth and challenges and opportunities as being three-dimensionals. In 2012, it goes to 6. So first is the value. The value is the quantity of the data, and the velocity is the speed of data that we gathered. The, the second two characteristics of variety and complexity. The variety is the type of the data. The complexity is normally we gather data from different sources, so it is more complex. For example, we're using different types of social media like Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, and we're using phones, computers, and other mobile devices. So it's a lot of ways to gather data. Last two characteristics are veracity and variability. The veracity is the quality of captured data, which can vary greatly, and the variability is the inconsistency the data can show at times. And then we'll talk about the applications of big data. Normally, the big data are used by a government. It can improve the efficiency in terms of cost, productivity, and innovation. And it also can be used data analysis for public work. For example, big data analysis played a large role in Barack Obama's successful in 2012 re-election campaign. Other examples such as demography, address problem, and road grading routes. This is for the join up data. And the second application is on manufacturing. The data can captured by firms that to use predictive tools, and they use a lot of data such as acoustics, vibration, pressure, current, and a controller data. And the manufacturing could use big data to control the supply planning and to improve their product quality. They can know how many goods they product, how many goods they send to retailer, how many goods they get from the supplier. And then The big data provides an infrastructure of transparency in manufacturing industry, which is the ability to unravel uncertainties such as inconsistent component performance and availability. Productive manufacturing as an applied approach towards near zero downtime and transparency requires vast amount of data. And last part is the big data is being used on business. It can improve the competitive and it can help company to make a better decision. The companies can use statistics to compare them, to analyze them to get more profit. And for marketing, companies can use big data to know customer behavior, that to know which product they lack. They can compare their product with their competitors. They can get a promotion by data analysis. Also, they can get a retail distribution analysis, sales analysis, and gap analysis. The big data also bring a lot of job opportunities for people. For example, in 2015, there are 4.4 million analyzed job created. The analysts could help business to solve problems such as uh, financial analysis, market analysis, to help companies get more profit. On the other hand, the big data also bring negative effects, such as personal information losses and company information losses. People who are using social medias, they put their personal information on the website. It is dangerous if someone steal your personal information. If companies lose their information, they probably lose a lot of money. And the other thing is the internet tricky. With the development of data, there are also insecure data, and there are money hacker. The hacker could attract your computer and steal your information. So, in conclusion, we're talking about big data. There are three main parts of big data. The first is its own features, and it is useful on many fields. Also, there are many problems. So it has a lot of differences with the traditional data collecting process. In the end, I think the big data has a long way to go, and it will play an important role in the real world in the future. Okay, thank you. See you guys next time.